Hello dear 10 ICSE students. Now I am taking up case study MCQs on work, power, energy, and this is my 8th video for physics. Now work is said to be done only when a force or its component causes a displacement in its own direction. Answer the following questions by choosing the correct answer from the given options. The condition for doing work by a body is or are a force acting on a body. Force must cause some displacement. Displacement must be in the direction of applied force or in the direction of resolved component of force. All of these. Work is a scalar quantity. SI unit of work is joule. What is the work done by moon when it revolves around the earth? In that case, displacement is 0 and W is Fs cos theta. So obviously F into 0 into cos theta is 0. So option A is the correct option. A force acts on a body and displaces it by a distance S in a direction at an angle theta with the direction of force. Then what should be the value of theta to get the maximum positive work done? Over here you see maximum value of cos theta is 1, which is when theta is 0 degree. Okay, so 0 degree is a correct option. जब cos 0 होगा ना तभी cos theta cos 0 1 होता है और वही cos का maximum value है. So D is the correct option. Physics goes with mathematics. A pendulum with bob of mass m is oscillating on either side from its resting position P. एक पेंडुलम है और वो दोनों साइड में ऑसिलेट कर रहा है. रेस्टिंग पोजीशन उसकी P है. बिटवीन द एक्सट्रीम्स Q है एंड R है एंड वर्टिकल हाइट अबव P is H. Okay. On which position of bob kinetic energy is minimum? Kinetic energy is minimum at the extremes, both B and C. On which position of the bob potential energy is minimum at P? क्योंकि जब वो एकदम तेजी से अभी ये B पे है, देखिए ये Q पे है, ये R पे है. Q और R पे उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या हुआ? Q और R बोथ बी एंड सी पे उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी मिनिमम हो गया. मतलब जब ऐसे एकदम वेग से आ रहा है तब उसका यहाँ पे हाइट 0 होने की वजह से, यहाँ पे एकदम बॉटम में हाइट 0 होने की वजह से एट पी एट द रेस्टिंग पोजिशन उसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मिनिमम हो जाएगी. सो एट पी इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी व्हेन इट इज एट पोजिशन पी? Okay, so when it is at the minimum height, okay, you can see मतलब कि ये था पेंडुलम, ये था उसकी okay. So over here you see that potential, there is no height. Okay, so potential energy is 0, so height is 0, so potential energy is 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. And we know that sum of potential energy and kinetic energy at any point is constant, and that is mgh. So over here you see kinetic energy is mgh and potential energy is 0. Option B is the correct option. What is the value of kinetic energy and potential energy when the pendulum is at position Q? ये है position Q. Q और R दोनों पे सेम ही वैल्यू रहेंगे. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या हुआ, Q पे वो जब गया तो वो मोमेंटरीली स्टॉप हो गया और फिर वो वापस P पे आना चाहता है. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 and potential energy is maximum, which is mgh, because I told you the summation will always be mgh constant. What is the value of kinetic energy and potential energy when it is at position R? I just told you Q and R पे same स्थिति रहेगी. तो आर पे भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 क्योंकि वो मोमेंटली स्टॉप करेगा और वापस पी पे आना चाहेगा। तो वेलोसिटी 0 होने से काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 हो गई और हाइट मैक्सिमम है यहाँ, इसीलिए सॉरी जस्ट Next question. A body when acted upon by a force of 10 kg force gets displaced by 0.5 meter. G is 10 meter per second square. तो kg force को न्यूटन में कर लीजिए तो F is 10 kg force, so 10 into 10 because G 10 दिया हुआ है, अगर नहीं दिया होता तो अपने 9.8 लेते, तो F is 100 Newton and displacement is half meter, 0.5 meter. So work done when the force is and the displacement is in the direction of force. Okay, is F into S, 100 into half, 50 joules, as both of them are in SI unit. So 50 joule is the correct option. Calculate the work done when the displacement is at an angle of 60 degree. So in this case, for question number 2, W will be Fs cos 60. So 100 into displacement is half and cos 60 is half, so 1/4 of 100, which is 25 joules, as everything is an SI unit. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is normal. Now children, cos 90 is 0, so in that case work done will be 0. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is in a direction opposite to the force. So opposite मतलब direction, डिस्प्लेसमेंट यहाँ, फोर्स यहाँ, एंगल बना रही है 180 डिग्री, सो cos 180 इज -1, so 100 into half into -1 is -50, so -50 joule is a correct option. And what is the angle between displacement and force when work done is maximum? Work done maximum होगा जब cos की value maximum होगी, and which is possible when theta is 0 degree because cos 0 is 1. So cos 0 is 1, so 0 degree is a correct option. Okay, next question. I hope you can see the question clearly. Okay, a truck driver loads some oil drums into a truck by lifting them directly. Each drum has a mass of 80 kg and platform of the truck is at a height of 0.8 meter above the ground. G is 10 meters per second square. Okay, everything is in SI unit. So calculate the force needed to lift down the drum into the truck. So force is mg, so 80 into 10. 80 into 10 will give me 800 Newton as a correct option. How much energy is used up in lifting? Now energy is nothing but work done, which is F into S. So over here we calculated F as 800 into 0.8. न्यूटन में, मीटर में तो आंसर जूल में होगा. So it's mental maths. 80 into 8 you do, and that is 640 joule is the correct option. Now if the driver takes 40 seconds to lift a drum into the truck, then how much power is spent by him? Now again, power is, wait, so this was 800 and this was 640, and power is work done by time taken, means energy spent by time taken. So energy spent is 640 joule, और कितने seconds के लिए हो रहा है ये? 40 seconds के लिए. So obviously it will be 16 watt. 16 watt is the correct option. After the truck is loaded, the driver drives off. What are the major energy changes that take place in moving the truck. ठीक है. Potential energy of the truck changes to kinetic energy. No. Chemical energy of the fuel, that is a diesel, changes into the kinetic mechanical energy. Yes, क्योंकि वो ड्राइव कर रहा है ना, तो ड्राइव कर रहा है, पेट्रोल बर्न हो रही है, डीजल वॉट एवर, डीजल इज बर्निंग एंड ही इज मूविंग, सो केमिकल एनर्जी ऑफ डीजल इज चेंजिंग इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. Then the driver stops the truck at the factory gate. What happens to the kinetic energy? It changes into then he stops. So then what happens? The entire kinetic energy will change into potential energy. Okay, because he is stopping. So potential energy is 0 now. And the entire kinetic energy gets converted into potential energy. Yes, that's the correct option. Okay, I would like to discuss a few more questions. Please bear with me. Now, a force F. I hope you can see the question. Yeah, force F acts on a body and displaces it by a distance s in a direction at an angle theta with the direction of force. Expression for work done is F as cos theta, as I repeatedly am telling you. What should be the angle between the force and displacement for work done to be 0, 90 degree? What should be the angle so that the work done is maximum 0 degree? I have already discussed these questions before. Body is moved in a direction opposite to the direction of force. So the work done by the force is negative. Because force ऐसे जा रही है, distance ऐसे जा रही है, theta 180 degree है, so cos 180 is -1. Okay, so it will be negative work done. Coolie stands with a box on his head for 10 minutes. वो बस खड़ा है. What is the work done? 0, because there is no displacement. Displacement is 0, so work done is 0. Next question, and this is the last question for today's video. Ball of mass 50 gram. तो यहाँ पे हमें इसको कन्वर्ट करना होगा मास को kg में. So 50 divided by 1000 kg, or you can say 0.05 kg. Okay, so this is a mass, you know, and it was moving vertically upwards with an initial velocity 20 meter per second. ठीक है, मास पता है, velocity पता है. Initial kinetic energy is half mv square, so it will be half into 50 by 1000 into 20 into 20. 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 cut, so 5 2s are 10. So 10 joules is a correct option. If air friction is neglected, then the maximum height reached is, okay, so let's calculate this. If air friction is rejected, then the maximum height reached. अच्छा, अपने को अगर रेजिस्टेंस 0 है, u पता है, तो v 0 हो जाएगी. एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे, तो हम g को 10 नहीं ले सकते, हमें 9.8 लेना होगा. So you can do v square minus u square is 2gh, but I think they have taken 10 according to the options. According to the options, I think they have taken 10. So let's try. So v square is 0. 0 square minus 20 square is 400. Is 2 into 10, which is 20 into h. So 20 into 10 is 40. Now 400 divided by, and obviously it is g is negative, so negative will cancel. So it will be 400 divided by 40. 400 divided by 40, which is 10. Which is 10 meter. So the maximum height reached is, or we can do like this also, that the entire kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. If you do not do like this, then mgh, wait, so mass is 50 by 1000 into g will have to be considered, children. Okay, yeah, so h is 100 by 5, so it's 20 meter. 20 meter is the correct option. Must have done something wrong over here. Oh, sorry, 2 into 10, 20 tha yahan. Okay, by this method also we got 20 meter. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, by mistake I took g as 20 but it was 10. So I cross-checked with the other method also, the conversion, the law of conservation of energy method also, and I saw that h is 20 meter. Okay. Yeah, now it says that if 40% of the initial energy is lost in air friction, then the maximum height reached is how much? So if we do 40% of 20, यानी कि 8 मीटर उसका लॉस हो जाएगा, तो फिर वो कितना हाइट रीच कर पाएगा? वो सिर्फ 12 मीटर ही रीच कर पाएगा. In an electric cell, while in use, the change in energy is from chemical to electrical. Change in energy is from chemical to electrical. A body at a height possesses potential energy, of course. Potential energy. Okay, so that was all for this chapter. I hope this video will be useful to you, and no problem, just go through all the questions and try to work it out yourself to gain confidence. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep sharing, keep watching.